Hey guys, it's Michael from Recording in Progress. This is a very close-up shot of my face, and it is a couple days later. But I wanted to tell you guys some breaking news. My phone was actually able to be charged by the battery bank about 1.5 times more than I expected. I expected, actually, it to only charge by 30%, but it ended up charging my phone like 2.5 times, so it's about 3,000 milliamp hours, and I thought it was a 400 milliamp hour cell. This doesn't make a lot of sense until you realize the iPhone only has a 1,600 milliamp hour battery. Basically, what I'm saying is the battery bank that I constructed out of literally duct tape, a chip, and a battery with an Altoid tin to house everything. Yeah, that was actually able to charge my phone like 2.5 times, and it was only supposed to charge my phone a third of a time. Yeah, sorry to throw numbers out at you, but yeah, that's what I ended up getting out of my battery bank, which is pretty cool, not gonna lie. Although, for like, you know, safety purposes, the safety of me not being accused of making a bomb by other people, I did end up buying like a really cheap Walmart battery bank. I'm gonna grab it real quick so you might notice some judder, but yeah, I ended up buying this little tiny one from Walmart, which is heavier than the one I made out of an Altoid tin. Anyway, just thought I'd just conclude the video with my results a couple days later when actually using the device. Yeah. Anyway, that's it. I'm back from recording. That's it. I'm back from Recording in Progress. If you guys want to like and subscribe, that would be great. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.